Alright, hi, this is Dylan. Welcome to my daily trading analysis video. So today is a Friday, 14th of November. Alright, so we're going to start off with the euro against the US dollar. Alright, so just a very quick recap. There's a falling trend channel over here. As you can see, this is a 4-hourly chart. Prices touches bottom, rebounded, and right now it's been consolidating within a symmetrical triangle, and we are seeing that it is about to reach the end. Alright, so zooming into the 1-hourly chart, alright, this will make it more clear. And later on at 2:30 p.m. and 3 p.m. plus 8 GMT, we have the French and German prelim GDP. Alright, so that itself, I believe there will be a strong impact on this on euro against the US dollar. Alright, forecast is just let me bring it here. Forecast is higher than the previous, alright, for the German prelim as well as for the French prelim, as you can see over here. So well, of course, if the actual is lower than the forecast, then of course we are seeing a break below. If it's higher, it might probably be a break above, and if it is even lower than the previous one, then it will see a very big movement. Alright, so looking back at the euro against the US dollar, if it breaks below, first level we're going to look at is 1.2387. Alright, and of course followed by the bottom of this major trend channel, falling trend channel. Alright, and on the upside, we have this falling trend line over here. Alright, so this could be the first level if it breaks upward, or rather at the 200 moving averages, or if not, it can touch the 61.8%, and we wait for wait for this retracement, then we can go for a short again. Alright, next we have the New Zealand against the US dollar. Alright, so again, there used to be a falling trend channel. I think it's time to remove this. So it has been broken above, came out and got resisted at a final exhaustion level. Alright, for this whole retracement itself at the price of 0.7922. Magic candle is over there, confirmation is there as well, and it has closed below 200 moving averages again, and it begins to fall. Alright, so we are expecting that the major trend channel has probably either come to a pause or might has come to an end, and therefore price is about to go back to the major trend channel and continues to fall further. Alright, that could be the possibility. And of course, here are the levels that we can look at. First level we will look at is 0.7801, 7709, and going lower to the final exhaustion level is at 0.7643. Alright, next we have the pound against the US dollar. As you can see, price is still falling further. Alright, ever since the Bank of England cut their forecast for their inflation and or rather their growth, and it has already broken below a few levels, a few important support levels. It is falling within this minor trend channel, of course the major falling trend channel, and therefore we are expecting price to fall even further and touches the bottom over here, the bottom of the falling trend channel, as well as the final exhaustion level at the price of 1.5595. Right, so that is for the pound against the US dollar. Next, finally we have the dollar against the Japanese yen. This is a 4-hourly chart again, and we are seeing the price has been supported persistently by the 20 moving average, and it has slightly broken a little bit higher, and we do expect price to appreciate even further, especially yen is currently kind of weakening a little bit because of because Abe, there was a speculation that Abe is delaying the sales tax hike. Alright, so yes, first level we're going to look at is 116.68, followed by 117.96. So that's for the dollar against the yen, and if you were to retrace, we'll see if it's able to get supported by at the 55 moving averages. Alright, so that's for the dollar against the yen. So I just want to go through another few currency pairs. First is the Australia against the US dollar. Well, pretty much the same scenario with the New Zealand dollar against the US dollar. So price has been resisted at an exhaustion level of 141.4% with magic candle confirmation being formed and as well as it is at the top of a minor rising trend channel over here, as you can see. So we are seeing price is beginning to fall again. The major retracement might have come to an end, and we also see that price almost touches the retracement level 61.8%, which is also the final exhaustion level for this whole retracement itself. And of course, right now it has reached the first level that I'm looking at, the first support level, which is at 0.8680. So once it closes below, there's a very high chance it will break below this rising trend channel and fall even further, all the way to the previous low of 0.8535. That's another exhaustion level, and finally we have 0.8481. Right, so that is pretty much for the Australia against the US dollar. Oh yes, the Australia dollar against New Zealand dollar, that's another thing we shall look at it. So back to the 4-hourly chart. Alright, there is a ascending triangle, as you can see. Alright, it goes down, comes up, goes down, comes up. Right, supported by a rising trend channel, so that forms a ascending triangle, and price is about to reach the bottom. Alright, still yet to reach the bottom, and it is still retracing a little bit, almost touching the first exhaustion level of 127.2%, but we're expecting price to fall even further till it touches bottom, or probably got supported at the second exhaustion level at the price of 1.1008, and that is where I will we can wait for a long opportunity within this ascending triangle. Alright, and just looking at the 1-hourly chart itself, we do see there's a falling trend line, and therefore this retracement itself, we will just wait for it to reach this trend line, and probably if it got resisted here and starts to fall, then the next level, like I said, we'll look at the bottom of the ascending triangle. Alright, okay, so that is all for today. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again.